Assalamualaikum, welcome to AK Education YouTube channel. If you are new in this channel, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. इससे मेरी आने वाली हर वीडियो सबसे पहले आप तक पहुंचेगी। आज हम PMC मॉक टेस्ट नंबर 1 के फिजिक्स MCQ सॉल्व करेंगे। लेट्स स्टार्ट द MCQs. So the MCQ number 1 of physics, unit of time in FPS unit is A millisecond, B minute, C hour, D second. Right option अपने कमेंट सेक्शन में लिखें. Yes, so the right option is D, 70. An angle of mass 4 kg is locked inside a cage of mass 2 kg. If the eagle starts flying, what will be the mass of the bird and cage assembly? A 5 kg, B 7 kg, C 2 kg, D 6 kg. Right option आपने comment section में लिखें. Yes, so the right option is D, 71. Force is A vector, B scalar, C tensor, D base quantity. Right option आपने comment section में लिखें. Yes, so the right option is A. If the force of 20 Newton at an angle 60 degree along horizontal, then its vertical and horizontal components are A 20 and 0 n, B 15 and 10 n, C 17.32 n and 10 n, D 10 and 17.32 n. Right option आप अपने comment section में लिखें. Yes, so the right option is C, 73. A gun fires a bullet of mass 40 gram with a velocity of 1200 meter per second. The man holding it can exert a maximum force of 144 Newton on the gun. How many bullets can be fired per second at the most? A1, B2, C3, D4. Right option आप अपने comment section में लिखें. Yes, so the right option is C. A man of mass 50 kg on the top floor of a skyscraper stepped into an elevator assuming gravity 10 meter per second square. What is the man's weight as the elevator accelerates downward at the rate of 1.5 meter per second square? A 460 Newton, B 325 Newton, C 425 Newton, D 475 Newton. Right option आप अपने comment section में लिखें. Yes, so the right option is C. If the kinetic energy increase 4 times, then momentum will increase. A 3 times, B 4 times, C 5 times, D 2 times. राइट ऑप्शन आप अपने कमेंट सेक्शन में लिखें. Yes, so the right option is D. Minimum value of kinetic energy is A infinite, B 0, C negative constant, D minus infinite. राइट ऑप्शन आप अपने कमेंट सेक्शन में लिखें. Yes, so the right option is B. Two springs having force constant in the ratio of 3:4. Both the springs are stretched by equal force F. If elongation in first spring is x, then elongation in second spring is A 3x, B 4x, C 3x per 4, D 4x per 3. Right option आप अपने comment section में लिखें. Yes, so the right option is D. A body is undergoing non-uniform circular motion. Work done by radial force on the body. A positive, B 0, C negative, D variable. Right option आप अपने comment section में लिखें. Yes, so the right option is B. Centripetal force is provided by dash in a frictional road around a circular path. A, friction force. B, normal force. C, gravitational force. D, pseudo force. राइट ऑप्शन आप अपने कमेंट सेक्शन में लिखें. Yes, so the right option is A. Radian can be used to measure A, length of line. B, diameter of circle. C, side of triangle. D, arc length. राइट ऑप्शन आप अपने कमेंट सेक्शन में लिखें. Yes, so the right option is D. The quantity used in an angular measurement is A, parameter. B, area. C, circumference. D, volume. राइट ऑप्शन आप अपने कमेंट सेक्शन में लिखें. Yes, so the right option is C. Earth covers its one revolution around Sun in A, 24 hours. B, 7 days. C, 12 months. D, 60 minutes. राइट ऑप्शन आप अपने कमेंट सेक्शन में लिखें. Yes, so the right option is C. The distance between adjacent fringes will increase if we use A, red light. B, blue light. C, lowest order. D, highest order. राइट ऑप्शन आप अपने कमेंट सेक्शन में लिखें. Yes, so the right option is A. The velocity of sound in vacuum at 0 degree centigrade. A, 32 millimeter per second. 332 meter per second. B, 344 meter per second. C, 330 meter per second. D, 0. राइट ऑप्शन आप अपने कमेंट सेक्शन में लिखें. Yes, so the right option is D. Unit of frequency is A, hertz. B, decibel. C, ampere. D, radian. राइट ऑप्शन आप अपने कमेंट सेक्शन में लिखें. Yes, so the right option is A. Example of mechanical wave is A, transverse wave. B, longitudinal wave. C, both transverse and longitudinal wave. D, compressional wave. राइट ऑप्शन आप अपने कमेंट सेक्शन में लिखें. Yes, so the right option is C. Microwave is A, an electromagnetic wave. B, sound wave. C, longitudinal wave. D, standing wave. राइट ऑप्शन आप अपने कमेंट सेक्शन में लिखें. Yes, so the right option is A. Pitch depends upon A, frequency. B, timbre. C, loudness. D, amplitude. राइट ऑप्शन आप अपने कमेंट सेक्शन में लिखें. Yes, so the right option is A. The property of musical sound which differentiate between grave and shrill sound is called A, pitch. B, intensity. C, beats. D, quality. राइट ऑप्शन आप अपने कमेंट सेक्शन में लिखें. Yes, so the right option is A. Unit of heat capacity is A, joule per kilo. B, joule per kilo per mole. C, joule per kilo kg. D, joule. राइट ऑप्शन आप अपने कमेंट सेक्शन में लिखें. Yes, so the right option is A. Molar heat capacity is defined as the heat required to raise the temperature by 1 degree of substance. A, 2 mole. B, 2 kg. C, 1 kg. D, 1 mole. राइट ऑप्शन आप अपने कमेंट सेक्शन में लिखें. Yes, so the right option is D. Specific heat of gas is isothermal process is A, infinite. B, 0. C, negative. D, remains constant. राइट ऑप्शन आप अपने कमेंट सेक्शन में लिखें. Yes, so the right option is A. Electrical potential energy between two charges at distance r is given by Q1 Q2 per r. K, Q1 Q2 per r per square. K, Q1 Q2. D, K, Q1 Q2 per 2r. राइट ऑप्शन आप अपने कमेंट सेक्शन में लिखें. Yes, so the right option is A. Consider an isolated parallel plate capacitor, both plates having charge plus Q and minus Q and filled with dielectric constant K. We pull out the dielectric material if the charges on the plates do not change. How does the energy in the capacitor changes? It increases, it decreases, it remains same. Insufficient data. राइट ऑप्शन आप अपने कमेंट सेक्शन में लिखें. Yes, so the right option is A. Which of the following could not be the units of electric intensity? A. Joule per coulomb per meter. B. Joule per coulomb. C. Volts per meter. D. Newtons per coulomb. Right option आप अपने कमेंट सेक्शन में लिखें. Yes, so the right option is B. Direction of electric force and electric field intensity for a positive charge is A. Parallel to each other. B. Perpendicular to each other. C. Opposite to each other. D. Random. Right option आप अपने comment section में लिखें. Yes, so the right option is A. The change in potential energy per unit charge between 2 points in an electric field is called A. Potential difference. B. Absolute potential. C. Electric intensity. D. Permittivity. Right option आप अपने comment section में लिखें. Yes, so the right option is A. The electric flux through the surface of the sphere is directly proportional to the A. Surface area of the sphere. B. Radius of the sphere. C. Charge at the center of the sphere. D. Nature of charge. Right option आप अपने comment section में लिखें. Yes, so the right option is C. Electric flux to the surface of a sphere which has constant charge at its center depends on A. The radius of the sphere. B. The surface area of the sphere. The amount of charge inside the sphere. The amount of charge outside the sphere. Right option आप अपने comment section में लिखें. Yes, so the right option is C. Current is a dash physical quantity. A. Scalar quantity. B. Vector quantity. C. Variable quantity. D. Constant quantity. Right option आप अपने comment section में लिखें. Yes, so the right option is A. Steady current does not change with respect to A. Conductor. B. Source. C. Time. D. Potential difference. Right option आप अपने comment section में लिखें. Yes, so the right option is C. Ohm's law is applicable only when temperature is A. Changing. B. Absolute zero. C. Constant. D. Decreasing. Right option आप अपने comment section में लिखें. Yes, so the right option is C. Resistivity of a substance is defined as the resistance of a dash of that substance. A. Meter. B. Meter square. C. Meter cube. D. Centimeter. Right option आप अपने comment section में लिखें. Yes, so the right option is C. Resistance of a conductor depends upon a temperature. B. Nature of a conductor. C. Length. D. Color. Right option आप अपने comment section में लिखें. Yes, so the right option is D. Terminal potential difference of a cell. A. Increases with increase in its internal resistance, decreases with its internal resistance, is independent of its internal resistance, varies exponentially. हाँ जी, exponentially with resistance. Right option आप अपने comment section में लिखें. Yes, so the right option is B. Study of magnets is called A. Electromagnetism. B. Magnetism. C. Electrostatics. D. Current. Electricity. Right option आप अपने comment section में लिखें. Yes, so the right option is B. If the current in wire is double, then magnetic field would be A. Half. B. Remain same. C. Triple. D. Double. Right option आप अपने comment section में लिखें. Yes, so the right option is D. The magnetic flux density is magnetic field lines per unit area, magnetic field lines per unit volume, electric field lines per unit area, electric field lines per unit volume. Right option आप अपने comment section में लिखें. Yes, so the right option is A. Current produced by moving coil is called induced current. D. B. Direct current. C. Polarized current. D. No current. Right option आप अपने comment section में लिखें. Yes, so the right option is A. Self-inductance of a coil does not depends upon A. Length, B. Current, C. Number of turns, D. Area of coil. Right option आप अपने comment section में लिखें. Yes, so the right option is D. The negative sign in Lenz's law indicates that the induced EMF opposes the rate of change of A. Electric flux, B. Magnetic flux, C. Electric field, D. Magnetic field. Right option आप अपने comment section में लिखें. Yes, so the right option is B. The mechanical energy of our hand used to push the magnet towards or away from the coil results into A. Heat energy, B. Potential energy, C. Electrical energy, D. Mechanical energy. Right option आप अपने comment section में लिखें. Yes, so the right option is C. In step down transformer, current in secondary coil is dash, then current in primary coil A equal, B less, C greater, D unchanged. Right option आप अपने comment section में लिखें. Yes, so the right option is C. Transistor can be used as half wave rectifier, full wave rectifier, photocell switch. Right option आप अपने comment section में लिखें. Yes, so the right option is D. Among the following four spectral regions, which photon has the highest energy? A. Infrared, B. Violet, C. Blue, D. Ultraviolet. Right option आप अपने comment section में लिखें. Yes, so the right option is D. A three-dimensional image is achieved by scanning the surface with a focused beam of electrons. A. SAM, B. TAM, C. X-red, D. STEM. Right option आप अपने comment section में लिखें. Yes, so the right option is A. Planck's constant is analogous to A. Inertia, B. Wave nature, C. Angular momentum, D. Linear momentum. Right option आप अपने comment section में लिखें. Yes, so the right option is C. The units for absorption power is A. Meter, B. Second, C. Henry, D. No units. Right option आप अपने comment section में लिखें. Yes, so the right option is D. X-rays are also known as low energy invisible photons, high energy visible photons, high energy invisible photons, low energy visible photons. Right option आप अपने comment section में लिखें. Yes, so the right option is C. The X-rays used in medical field have dash intensity. A. High, B. Low, C. Medium, D. Very high. Right option आप अपने comment section में लिखें. Yes, so the right option is B. The ordinary TV screen made of cathode tube emits A. Cathode rays, B. Anode rays, C. Gamma rays. It emits no radiation. Right option आप अपने comment section में लिखें. Yes, so the right option is A. What is the relationship between half-life of radioactive isotope and its wavelength? A. They are equal in magnitude. They are directly proportional. C. They are inversely proportional. D. No relation. Right option आप अपने comment section में लिखें. Yes, so the right option is C.